Now when it comes to using a pointer, I already showed you how you could determine the dimensions by using a level and measuring it. But sometimes you want to make a new form that you've never made before and you want to be able to match it. So all you have to do is go ahead and throw your piece, make it the size and height and shape that you really like, and once you've got that completed and done on the wheel, then you take your pointer and you mess with it until it reaches the edge of that piece. And as long as the balls of clay that you've created before you've gotten to throw the first piece are the same weight, you shouldn't have any problem meeting that pointer again. Now if you want to be able to reproduce this in the future, it's really easy. You just write down what the weight of the clay you were using, take your ruler and measure the actual diameter here from outer edge to outer edge, write that down, take your level on the wheel and hold it right up against the piece and write that measurement down, and then you can set your pointer next time prior to making the piece.